Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix ghost image on a Samsung TV. If your TV shows image like this, then it is called a ghost image and this problem can be fixed easily. Watch the video complete, don't skip any part, like the video if this helps and subscribe to our channel. First of all, I will discuss the common reasons for ghost picture. These are two viewers. First is when you change panel or screen of your TV, and second is when accidentally someone changed the settings in service menu. So I will show you how to fix this. First of all, power off your TV from the remote. Then you have to press the following code to open the service menu: info, menu, mute and power key. Press these keys without any pause. Otherwise, service menu will not open. I am pressing the keys. Now the TV will boot up in service menu. And if this code is not working, tell your TV model in the comment section. I will give you another code. Wait for some time until service menu is displayed. Here you go, viewers. Now we have to find LVDS options in the menu. So try the sub option first. You can see that there is no option of LVDS. Now go back and open the first option which says option. Now go in the last option that is called MRT option. Select it and now this is LVDS format. Select it by pressing the center key or OK key and change this setting from the right arrow of your remote to GDA or vice versa. Now you are watching our TV display is good. Power off the TV again and power it on. Now I will play the same video again to check whether our ghost image is gone or not. Guys, you can see that our picture has been fixed and the ghost image is no more. In case of any query, ask in comment section. I will reply you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.